Meet the amazing pet parrot.
Smart, playful, and full personality.
Parrots are one of the most intelligent birds. They observe everything around them.
And yes, they can even talk.
Parrots can mimic human speech.
They learn by listening again and again.
Hello.
Some parrots say simple words like, hello.
Others can learn full sentences. Others can learn full sentences. They love attention and interaction.
They respond to your voice. It feels like talking to a friend.
There are many types of parrots. Some are small and easy to keep. Some love living in pairs. Others are big and very colorful.
Each has a unique personality.
Some are calm, some very active. They all need proper care. Choose the right one for you.
Parrots need a clean home. Always give fresh water. They love fruits and vegetables.
Seeds are also important. A healthy diet keeps them happy.
Spend time with your Amazon parrot. They love human bonding. Give them toys to play.
They enjoy climbing and exploring. A happy parrot is an active parrot.
Parrots are very intelligent. They can solve simple problems. You can teach them tricks.
Some parrots even dance. They can be very funny. They copy sounds around them.
Or your laughter. They bring joy to your home. A perfect companion.
Parrots are amazing pets. They are smart and loving.
Their beauty is mesmerizing. Take care and they'll love you forever. A true feathered friend.
Do you love parrots? Subscribe for more pet stories.